everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Madge, and for today's video, we're going to talk about Bonk because meron siyang panibagong pa-rewards or I think pa-airdrop sa atin, guys. Like last time, Christmas, si Bonk Mas, and now dahil Chinese New Year, so it's a Year of the Dragon, and then meron siyang pa Bonk Dragon ngayon, guys. And kung paano kayo makaka-join, paano kayo maging eligible here kung di kayo nakakuha ng Bonk Mas like me last time dahil hindi naman tayo nakapag stock. Hindi naman tayo ako is not an early user of Bonk, kaya hindi ako nakakuha nung Bonk Mas last time. So ang daming nakakuha, nakapaldo during that time, guys. So now meron siya ulit pa-rewards. So may deadline to. So kapag nakita niyo siya, gawin niyo na siya as soon as possible. Kasi sayang naman, guys. So limited time lang to. At huwag kayong mag-skip. Stay tuned at the end of this video para wala kayong ma-miss na important details dahil papakita ko sa inyo step by step paano ba kayo maging eligible for the upcoming Bonk rewards, guys. Kaya before we jump into it, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and ring that notification bell so you'll always be updated to my upcoming videos and off-the-clock episodes. So now, ito nga sabi nga, where in the world is Bonk Santa? So, meron siyang pa-letter, especially sa mga may Bonk Mas, Bonk Mas before, no December, last year, no December, guys. So now, you can click this one, but don't you worry kasi kahit hindi naman tayo nakakuha ng Bonk Mas, is we can still join naman. Yun yung sabi naman. So, you can check lang din yung kanilang Twitter page or Twitter account kasi dito yung full details, and then of course, I will put na lang yung mismong link sa description box below para you can start doing these tasks. Kasi limited time lang siya, guys, until February 20. So now is February 11. So we have still 9 days left. So here, kung nakapag-Bonk Mas kayo before, pwede nyo ilagay dyan yung inyong phantom address at meron si Santa na message. So ganyan. And then here, Bonk is precious, Bonk is nice. Take the first week of lunar year to start the dragon rite. So pag kinilik nyo yung start the dragon rite, idadirect kayo sa mismong Bonk Dragon. So here, nandito yung other kung ano yung kailangan yung gawin para makapag start building your Bonk Dragon lunar year for 2024. So ito yung requirements. Head to the Bonk rewards, tapos lock a minimum of 1 million Bonk, tapos come back this page February 20th to see your Bonk Dragon. So pag kinilik nyo yan, mapupunta kayo directly kapag build your dragon directly sa Bonk rewards. Dito kay Bonk rewards, you need to lock your Bonk, guys. It's up to you kung minimum of 1 million, pero it's up to you kung nakikita nyo dito how it works, kung ilang months yung gusto nyong i-lock, diba? Pwede siyang 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, diba? So, pinakamatagal ay 6 months. So, 2 times 2 yung makukuha nyo, yung multiplier na makukuha nyo. So, multiply to the percentage of Bonk rewards pool with the amount of time lock. So, syempre, pag nilock nyo yan, hindi nyo siya magagamit within the time frame. Kung 6 months yan, 6 months nyo siya hindi magagamit. So, today is February 11. So, until August. Pero kung ayaw nyo naman na ganun katagal, pwede namang 1 month para times 1. As you can see, ganyan yung makikita yung weight niya. Kung gusto nyo naman na 3 months, 1.4%. And then 6 months to times 2. So, percentage from Bonk rewards pool times the multiplier is called Bonk claim during locking period. So, I think kapag times 2 siya, kung 1 million yung nilagay nyo na Bonk, makuha nyo is 2 million. Pero after the locking period, I think yun yung niya, yung multiplier niya. But, as you can see sa important notice, please be aware when locking your Bonk for future rewards, you will receive a token FYUJ, the that will be required to be able to redeem your deposit and rewards. Do not burn token or you may not be able to redeem in the future. So, yan yung papasok. So, once na nilock niya yan, ito yung FYUJ, yung token na yan papasok sa inyong Phantom wallet. And then, huwag nyo siyang gagalawin, huwag nyo siyang i-burn, huwag nyo siyang, what you call this, gagamitin sa kahit ano. Kasi, once na nawala yan, at na-burn yan, hindi na kayo makakakuha ng future rewards. So, take note huwag yung gagalawin yan. Okay? So, ako, dahil, actually, nakalagay siya sa margin 5 ito. Pero sabi kasi nakapag-snapshot na rin si margin 5. So, tinanggal ko na siya. And now, hindi ko mo siya ginagamit. Sige, lalagay ko muna siya kasi prepare ko naman siya for the bull run. Sabi naman nila, until 2025 yung bull run. So, okay na sa akin for 6 months. So, kung makuha ko is 2 million, why not? And then, I can go back sa Feb 20th. Baka merong additional rewards. Diba? Yun ang sabi, claim your rewards. Come back sa February 20th. So, possible yan. Kay Bonkmas, nagbigay sila ng Bonk token as well. Diba? Last time. So, possible na yun din yung rewards nila. And then here, parang staking period, ito, parang yung lock up. Ganun naman kadalasan niya. So now, as you can see, diba, babalik tayo to come back the page February 20 to see your Bonk Dragon. So, sabi nila diba, last time Bonk Mass, which is Bonk token pa rin naman siya. So, I think same din siya mangyayari. Kaya, ayun, pwede na, but we will see pagdating ng February 20th. So, 9 days lang naman, diba? So, kung nakatenga lang naman yung bonk nyo sa inyong Phantom wallet, i-lock up nyo na siya. Kung ayaw nyo na matagal, pwede namang 1 month. So, makukuha nyo rin siya para lang makakuha tayo ng rewards for the February 20th. As here, papakita kasi ako. Dahil pag hindi kayo naging eligible nung bonk mass nung December, walang lalabas na letter. Pero sa friend ko, papakita ko na yun sa friend ko kasi meron siya doong nakalagay na parang letter. So, pag hindi ka eligible, wallet not found, so can't find your primary wallet, you can start building your Bonk Dragon by clicking on the dragon below. So, pwede kang, pa rin naman, maging eligible for the Bonk Dragon. Kasi hindi naman tayo nakakuha nung Bonk Mass, during the Bonk Mass. Okay? Pero kung nakakuha ka, merong exclusive letter. So, ito yung sa friend ko, guys. Ito yung maging exclusive. During Bonk Mass, you were on the nice list and claimed. Ang laki nung na-claim nga, diba? 18 million. Bonk. Ang laki, diba? So, magkano yun, diba? 18 million. So, pinapasali siya. So, minimum of 1 million yung nakalagay sa kanya. Kaya, do it now, guys. Update nyo na lang once for claiming na si Bonk Dragon. So, until next time, goodbye!